bring him some eggnog in the toy workshop, and he was nowhere to be found. All that was left behind was this peculiar bit of green fur and a mysterious map. How strange. Oh, and everyone is so sad. It's like all the Christmas cheer has disappeared. Christmas is 3 weeks away, and if we don't find him, it'll be a disaster. Captain Starlight, you've got to help find Santa and save Christmas.
Hi, I'm Michael Bauble. I've just come out of hibernation in my cave. Is it time? Christmas time. It's the one time of the year that I'm allowed out.
Thank you, Captain Starlight.